Welcome newbies, welcome newbies. This is for the newbies. Some of you veterans know how to handle these signs. Now, you're too short, well at least I am. I can just reach it, but if I stand on my tippy toes, I can hold that out. Really, to do this correctly, this is a two-man job. If you don't have a second person, then you would have to bring in a ladder. I'm trying to eliminate the amount of equipment I walk with, right? So you could use those chairs to stand on top of it and hold it, but then while you're trying to clean the window, you could risk the chance of losing your balance. Anything could happen. So if you can avoid doing it the hard way, why not work smart? So under normal circumstances, in order to get behind this sign, a traditional mop is actually too fat without saturating the back of the sign, and then when you let it go, it's going to swing and hit the window and make a mark. So all of what I'm telling you is for a reason, to eliminate a potential problem, especially if you're new. All right, so what you want to do is you want to have a tool like this. But before I show you, why would you want to scrub the heck out of the window if you're here every single week? You're just getting the dust off and the soot that flies around from the hamburger grease and the vents. So when you clean that window, it's not going to be extremely bad. So a one-pass tool will suffice. So this is what we're going to use. Now pay attention to how I'm going to do this. I'm going to do it without taking that sign down, without getting on the chair, and without reaching on my tippy toes to hold the sign out. All right? You see the size of the squeegee and you see the size of the sign. You can get it done. Skill is where this comes in, but practice makes perfect. You might butcher up a few spots, but this tool will help you eliminate a lot of the mess. Let's jump into it.
Studio compression, baby. Satellite, that's what I'm working with, Oh, and when you send me. If you could do that every time, I'm yours for life. Need that kind of pipe, honey, never gripe. Climax, big as IMAX, I love you faxes. She did my taxes and grabbed my package when she horny. Won't ignore me, I know she cares. She tore me from despair and gave me an heir to the throne. Radiation tone, I'm in the zone. You can't stop me, she got me backed up, but the cash backed up. They all stampede because they know that we sold blooded cold. They broke the mold on this, don't need no Chris to exist. And I'll persist like stamina. I'm not a fan of ya. You and your man and you should go slow, real slow. You face to face with dignitaries over here. Partner, grab a beer and stand clear. Magical spells through your speakers. Front row honeys, at the door honeys, wanna meet us. They say they need us, and so they seek us with plots to freak us. From senoritas to fly contitas, with black friends with fat ends. They doing back bends and whatever. Hardly nothing on, straight bold. See, they don't care when they want it. I'm just glad that they want me. That's the way it's supposed to be.
One chicks call when the fiend for the better shit. Nobody alive, drop rock and spit better shit. So let me hit until you scream and start buying things. Diamond rings, verses, and tickets to Miami Heat. Haters should wanna be me. Lounging in the lake, flat to the bay, peep lines on breeze. Go see the sights with a cold piece. In the heart, the top, white jeans, eyes green, thong strings. Peep me, two-piece with the pleats. Dive with the feathers, cuffs with the links. Pretty ones get the blink. They don't wanna miss the presence of a player, so they hold everything as my dough shake around the ring. They clean pull to my clothes. Begging for love, it's cool, I suppose. Life unfolds through the different roads. Rallies on Vogue, tailor-made clothes. Crocodile gators, whips with the glow. Parents in my earlobe, Fuji house roll. Dance through the stage, nigga way too cold. Back is Mr. Casanova, / Corleone, message to the back kings. What you had is gone, strength for the throne. Left in the field, run you reppin', squash a record deal. You either alone while I never chill. Found two or more for company, crushing in the summer tree. And the player who can run with me, chicks who be loving me, chop up that cheese cause I don't come for free. $1,000,000 game selling cheap, express to the world, raps with the pops can see. Select the league and be your best choice. Golden boys, moving the voice, leave your girl voice. Tell me y'all, I'm my trophy toys. And I don't care, I bought my CD, you still don't get no points.
I'm doing this because it's crisp, easy money. Even things out that remain funny. I was out of sync, too young to think. Now my game thick like honey's mocha. You used to know me, you wanted to hold me. Oh, better now, I got you wet and wild. Screaming like a banshee, you the man feed. Through me, don't mind if I do, don't mind if I do. Do your girl too, see you can come through, but we can make do. I'll be the judge, pouring fudge in my lashes. You be the lawyer, you can act. Make it happen. You play her sister, just a thought. I know what